Living paycheck to paycheck in 2022, the future of the American dream. The American dream is the idea that if you work hard, you can get ahead. But for many Americans, the American dream is just a dream. In this video, we will talk about what the future of America looks like and what are some of the factors that contribute to it. We will also discuss what people can do to ensure they don't live paycheck to paycheck in 2022. The American dream has always been associated with owning a home and living comfortably. However, housing prices have skyrocketed in recent years and wages have stagnated, making it difficult for many Americans to achieve this dream independently. The American dream is an idea of a society in which hard work leads to success. It's the sense that you can have more, be more, and do more if you just work hard. The American dream is based on the belief that anyone can achieve success. It is a common theme in the United States. The idea of the American dream has been around for a long time, but it became popular in 1931 when James Truslow Adams wrote about it in his book The Epic of America. The American dream is coming to an end because of factors such as income inequality, lack of social mobility, and high cost of living. Living paycheck to paycheck is a reality for many Americans. It is estimated that a whopping 66% of American households are living paycheck to paycheck. This means that they don't have the financial cushion to survive any unexpected expenses or emergencies. This is an alarming statistic and it doesn't look like it will change anytime soon. In fact, in 2022, it is estimated that 73% of American households will be living paycheck to paycheck. Many people are living paycheck to paycheck and this is not a good thing. The average American household spends about 40% of its income on basic necessities, leaving nothing for anything else. This statistic does not look like it will change anytime soon. Here are some steps you can take to stop living paycheck to paycheck. 1. Create a budget or spending plan. 2. Reduce your expenses. 3. Live within your means. 4. Get rid of consumer debt. 5. Earn more income by starting a side hustle or business. 6. Invest in income-producing assets. The best way to make your money last is to spend less. There are many ways to do this, such as saving money on groceries, spending less on entertainment, and spending less on clothing and shoes. Living paycheck to paycheck is a reality for many Americans. The cost of living has increased, while wages have not kept up. The only way to stop living paycheck to paycheck is to increase your income and reduce your expenses. An example of a business you can start today is an online business. Most require a small amount of money to start. Make sure to click the link in the description below for more information on how you can start an online business with no experience. If you found value in this video, please click the like button. Also, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any video updates. The next video contains great information I know you will love. Thanks for watching.